The thermometer is attached to your grill's lid. It reads the temperature inside the cooking chamber. Over time, water can seep into the thermometer. This water will fog the glass with condensation while you use your grill. The water can also cause mold to grow inside the thermometer. Replacing the thermometer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old thermometer from the barbecue. The thermometer is held in place with a wing nut. I'll go ahead and unscrew it. With the wing nut removed, now I can pull the thermometer away from the grill. Now I can install the new thermometer. I'll unscrew the wing nut from the back of it. I'll place the thermometer through the bezel, and now I can place this assembly back onto the grill. I'll open the grill back up and install the wing nut. And that's how easy it is to replace the thermometer on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.